Good morning, dear students. In last period, we have been completed chapter 3. I hope you all understand the topics of the chapter. Today, we are going to start chapter 4, that is writing with style and colors. From the learning objectives of this chapter, today we will discuss about the formatting toolbar options. Now, first of all, what is formatting? Formatting refers to changing the appearance of text in the document. In normal language, we can say that by formatting, we can make our text colorful or attractive. Now, to use any of these options, you need to type the text and select it and then click on the desired option. Formatting toolbar. The toolbar shown in the figure is customized. To customize any toolbar, you need to click on tool menu and then customize. In the picture, there are toolbar options given from 1 to 15 in this picture. We can discuss these tools one by one. First tool, style and formatting. Specifies whether to show or hide the styles and formatting window, which is where you can assign and organize styles. Tool second, apply styles. Assign a style to the current paragraph, selected paragraphs, or to selected objects. Tool 3, font name, allows you to select a font name from the list or enter a font name directly. Tool 4, font size, allows you to choose between different font sizes from the list or to enter a size manually, as you see in this picture. You can change the font name or font size. Now, next tools. Five, 6 and 7. Tool 5, bold, The shortcut keys of these tools are given. Tool 5, bold. The shortcut key of this tool is Ctrl B. Make the selected text bold. If the cursor is in a word, the entire word is made bold. If the selection or word is already bold, the formatting is removed. Tool 6, italic. Shortcut key of this tool is Ctrl I. It makes the selected text italic. If the cursor is in a word, the entire word is made italic. If the selection or word is already italic, the formatting is removed. Tool 7, underline. The shortcut key of this tool is Ctrl U. Underlines or removes underlines from the selected text. Next, tool 8, superscript. Reduces the font size of the selected text and raises the text above the baseline. Tool 9, subscript. Reduces the size of font of the selected text and raises the text below the baseline. These options are used in the mathematical and chemical formulas. You will be used these formulas or tools in the higher classes in mathematical and chemical formulas. You can see in this picture use subscript and superscript. Tool 10, increase font size. This tool increases the font size of the selected text. Tool 11, reduces font size. Of the selected text as shown in the left side. Now, tool 12, font color, used to change the foreground color of the text. Tool 13, highlighting. Applies the current highlighting color of the background of a text selection. To change the highlight color, click the arrow next to the highlighting icon and then click the color that you want. Background color. Tool number 14. Click to open a toolbar where you can select a background color for a paragraph. The color is applied to the background of the current paragraph or the selected paragraphs. Tool 15, Character dialog box. Open the font character dialog box. In this way, we can use the 15 tools as discussed above to format a text. Now, I hope all the students understand all the topics. You all are advised to read the book and try to understand all the topics. If you have laptop or computer at your home, use these topics and try to understand. Thank you and have a nice day.